Hello everybody. Today we're going to do something that I've not done on the channel before. We're going to look at an RC car. This is from Tamiya. It's a BT-01 chassis. It's brand new. I just got it today. And what's fun or unique about this car, you can configure it three different ways. You can have it a front wheel drive car, you can have it rear wheel drive, front engine, or you can have it rear engine, rear drive. So, a lot of possibilities. Plus there's two different wheelbases, I think. Anyways, it's really cool. So I decided to pick one up. So we're going to do an unboxing today, and then I will go through step by step how to put it together, and I'll do that within the next week. So let's get started by opening it up. There you see on the side of the box the three different setups for it. Let me get this off to the side here. First thing in the box is the ESC. It's a hobby wing. Here is the Toyota Super Body. I'm not using this. I'm going to do mine mid-engine rear drive. So you can think about what I would think about doing. So here's the wheels. It's got treaded tires. Here's a parts bag with some axles in it. This is stuff for the body. Again, I'm not going to be using this. This looks like shock parts, damper shocks, antenna straw, caution paper in the garbage, the instruction manual. This is the decal sheet. Again, I'm not going to use this. This looks like the housing for the engine here. These are bumper pieces, suspension arms, body posts. There's a chassis pan. Shock towers are in here, I see. The hex parts for the wheels. Your housings for the axles, front and rear. More pieces I don't even know. This looks like a chassis piece here. And a last chassis piece here. And we got parts bag A, B, C, and D. Or maybe just A, B, and C. Anyways, what I plan on doing is I will break it down by parts bag. So the first video will be A, next will be B, C, and so on. The only upgrade I'm going to do is ball bearings. There's the part number. I know it says MB-01, but they use the same bearings. So, thank you all for watching, and I look forward to building this with you guys. So, everybody have a good one. Thank you.